Hey guys, how you doing? It's Debbie here. Whoops, did I move it over just a little bit? Anyways, I've been having a pretty good time. I have this one color of paint here. I don't know where it went, but it's been making some pretty cool effects. So, with just a very small amount. Anyways, all I'm doing today is if you don't have many paints or you want to mix up all your old paints and mix up some colors, that's exactly what I've done. Just using up some stuff and trying to have a good time. So this has been my favorite color. I have no idea what's going on inside of this cup, but it's been so magical. So, and all I've done is done some of these lines, and they kind of show up later on when we're blowing it out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that some more. And then it's a teal color. It's just been amazing. So we'll do that with the green. Oh, anyways, the whole theme of this is if you don't have much paint and you just want to make something pretty cool, here you go. Here's a great idea to try to do something really cool. And this last time I haven't been so happy with the yellow. So I guess I'm still recording. Okay, this yellow has been a little bit of a pain, so I'm just going to just add a little drop of yellow and a little drop of the white here. And oh, I wanted to add this blue to the red, so since I forgot, we'll just go around it right there. Okay. Was there anything else that we forgot? That's not a lot of paint if you think about it. Very little. So I'm going to give it a quick hit with this. You know what? It's kind of all running one way. My table, luckily that didn't fall, is a little unlevel, obviously. Okay, here we go. Don't want to lose all that. I might have lost it there. Guess I'm going to lose it there. guys think? Just gonna bring some of this over a little bit. I have my hairdryer on cool if you haven't ever done this. I think I may have mentioned there's a little bit of silicone in some of the paints. I have no idea really which ones. So I'm gonna push up from the bottom of this, see what it. You're gonna give it one more quick spray. I think I'm gonna run it off this way over here, since I've already got my hairdryer has a slide thing on it full of paint. I did have plastic over it, and now it won't even slide to turn off. I had to pull it out of the wall. Alright guys, I think I'm done with this one. I'm pretty happy with it. Just want to make sure I don't have too much paint on here. Something always to be aware of. But I think I'm going to leave it alone. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.